Hey guys, today we're doing a tutorial on how to make ramen noodles in a pot because for some reason we don't have a microwave. We're gonna need to have our ramen. It's kind of boiling a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, it's kind of boiling, which is good enough. What we need is a pot, something to mix it in, dishes, water, a lot of water, and the main part. So let me just get these open and I can show you me like just pouring it in, I guess. It's opened. Okay. So I gotta get this out too, so yeah. It's out. So time to pop them in. Yes, there's already noodles in it. I can just put that in there. Okay, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, we're surviving. Okay. Again. Okay. Okay. Now the noodles are, oh god. Let me go get a mixing utensils magic, so. Alright guys, the magic works. Do you have a mixing thingy? This is not in the water. So set a timer for 3 minutes once you put it in. And I can already feel it getting softer. So I'm gonna look at the ramen. Ew. It's ramen. Yeah. Just sprinkle some water on it, push it down, mix it around. Okay. For now, I think we're done. And now I don't know what to do. Voila! Computer. Oh, it fell. Okay. I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna do this from my room, and then magically break time. And now how? I'm gonna put you down. It's gonna teleport you to the kitchen, and I'm gonna have to go grab my phone. Perfect. Huh, worked. Oh, these are noodles. Some of the noodles are going, oh my, it's very steamy. Let me just like add these creamy chickens and I'll show you when it's finished. Yeah. Voila. Our ramen is finished. Wow, that looks very good. Yeah. It's ramen. Yeah. Well, bye.